India generates 150 million tons of waste each day, but most of it is left in the landfills at your city outskirts, leaving a foul smell. What with vultures hovering over heaps of hazardous garbage that we have disposed of. To top it all, only 10 to 20% of the city waste is recycled in an environmentally friendly way, and the rest is just allowed to lie rotting in the landfills. India has some really good people, and they also love to dispose of their waste wherever they wish. If we try to classify this waste, it can be divided into four main categories, namely food waste, garden waste, paper waste, and plastic waste. So if someone wants to help, what are the options available for an average person when it comes to discarding waste in an eco-friendly way? Option A is that you can dispose it anywhere with no accountability. This, however, leads to unhygienic conditions in our surroundings and also influence the spread of various critical diseases like hepatitis B, hepatitis C, chronic respiratory diseases, and various cancers. Option B is to let the waste be collected by a local garbage collecting agency. But did you know that they also dump your garbage at some place a little far from you? This isn't a good option considering environmental damage, is it? Actually, this leads to the spread of even more diseases. Option C is that you buy state-of-the-art recycling machines from SMS Hydrotech. These machines use cutting-edge technology to recycle food waste, garden waste, paper waste, and plastic waste. By using these machines from SMS Hydrotech in your organization, you can become a zero-waste organization, as well as increase your profits. We are a socially and environmentally responsible waste management company working with government bodies and top MNCs. With SMS Hydrotech, everything starts with convenience. Our recycling units ensure the highest levels of waste recycling and bring you peace of mind. We help your organization do the right thing, make more and more citizens responsible, thus making everyone a part of the Swachh Bharat mission. With SMS Hydrotech, you will not just recycle, but will also earn profits by producing more things with the generated recycled stuff. Not sure how to begin? Call us today for a free demo at your site.